Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best tips and guides for using X. In today's video, we'll show you how to unbookmark a reply in X. Unbookmarking allows you to remove saved comments and keep your bookmarks organized. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the app on your device and ensure you are on the home screen. Step 2. Go to a post. This might be a bit tricky, but make sure to tap on an area of the post that is not a picture or a context. This action will open a menu with more details about the post. Step 3. Scroll down to the replies. These are the comments or responses from other users on the post. Step 4. Tap on the share icon. This icon is usually represented by an arrow pointing upwards, or a box with an arrow. Tapping on it will open a menu with various sharing options. Step 5. Look for and tap on the Delete Bookmark option. This action will remove the specific reply from your bookmarks, ensuring that it no longer appears in your saved list. And there you have it. You have successfully unbookmarked a reply in X. This feature allows you to keep your bookmarks organized and remove comments that are no longer relevant or needed. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to unbookmark a reply in X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more X-related tutorials.